Mastering Prepositions of Place, an adventure into advanced English collocations. Hello, English learners. Today, we are going to dive into the exciting world of advanced vocabulary and focus on preposition plus noun collocations. Specifically, we are delving into the captivating topic of prepositions of place. By the end of this video, you'll have an enhanced understanding of how to use these prepositions to bring precision and fluency to your English. Prepositions are small words that link elements of a sentence together. They indicate the relationships between these elements. When paired with nouns, prepositions often specify where something happens or where someone is. Common prepositions of place include in, at, on, under, above, and between. For example, we might say, the cat is on the table, or we are at the park. When prepositions are paired with nouns, they often form fixed expressions called collocations. Let's now look at some examples of these collocations to better understand their use. 1. At the top of the mountain, we could see the entire city. 2. She left her keys in the drawer. 3. I usually keep my phone on the desk. 4. The cat hid under the bed. 5. He placed the painting above the fireplace. 6. The shop is located between the bakery and the bookstore. Remember, these prepositions have a wide range of applications, and these examples are just the tip of the iceberg. Now, it's time to put what you've learned into practice. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition of place. 1. She found her book, blank, the stack of magazines. Answer: in. 2. The picture hung, blank, 2 windows. Answer: between. 3. Place the vase, blank, the bookshelf. Answer: on. 4. They live, blank, a small apartment downtown. Answer: in. 5. The bird was perched, blank, the roof of the house. Answer: on. Don't worry if you didn't get them all right. Practice makes perfect. That's all for today, learners. We hope this lesson on prepositions of place collocations has been enlightening and useful. With consistent practice and application, you'll soon master these collocations. As always, don't hesitate to revisit this video for further understanding. Keep practicing, keep learning, and until next time, happy English learning.